Mercedes really went all in on this one. This is not just another coupe, this is the all-new Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe, and today I'm going to show you exactly why this might be the most aggressive entry-level AMG ever built. From the exterior presents a broken bar to the redesigned interior or a broken bar to the brand new 3.0-liter Inline-Six engine a broken bar. Let's dive in. The first thing you notice is the width. When this car is in your rearview mirror, it looks absolutely brutal. AMG widened the front by 58mm and the rear by 75mm, and you feel it, visually, instantly. Finished here in graphite grey magno, the matte paint perfectly highlights every muscle line of this coupe. The power dome bonnet immediately grabs attention, inspired by bigger AMGs like the C63A, but underneath, things are very different. Under this sculpted hood sits AMG's new 3.0-liter Inline-Six turbocharged engine with mild hybrid assistance. This is the M256 platform, refined and tuned by AMG. Power output, around 449 horsepower from the combustion engine alone, supported by an integrated starter generator adding extra boost when needed. 0 to 100 km/h happens in just 4.2 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 250 km/h or 270 km/h with the AMG driver's package. This may be the entry AMG broken bar, but it does not feel entry level. Now let's talk about the front design. The Panamericana grille with vertical chrome slats gives it that unmistakable AMG identity. Pair that with the aggressive lower bumper intakes, and the car looks planted and dominant. The digital light headlamps are sharp and futuristic, offering adaptive high beam technology and precise illumination. With the night package, elements like the badges and trim come in dark chrome, adding an even stealthier look. From the side, you really see how the body lines flow effortlessly from front to rear. The shoulder line is wide and powerful. These 20-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels in matte black look incredible. Wrapped in 295 section tires at the rear, this coupe has serious road presence. At the back, the glossy black AMG lip spoiler and quad exhaust outlets, each 90mm wide, complete the performance look. And yes, a broken bar, it sounds exactly how an AMG should sound. Open the trunk, and despite being a coupe, you get practical space with additional storage underneath. But let's move inside because this is where technology meets performance. As soon as you sit down, the seat belt feeder automatically presents the belt to you. Small detail, a broken bar, big luxury feel. The interior is based on the latest Mercedes layout, but AMG gives it its own personality. You get an 11.9-inch portrait-oriented central display, slightly tilted 6 degrees toward the driver for better ergonomics. In front of you sits a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster. Switch between classic, sport, super sport, and track modes. In super sport, the RPM counter dominates the display, going all the way up to 8,000 RPM with aggressive red highlights. The head-up display is large and crisp, projecting RPM, speed, and navigation directly into your line of sight. The AMG steering wheel is flat-bottomed, wrapped in Nappa leather, and features AMG drive unit controls directly on the wheel. Carbon fiber trim flows across the dashboard. Turbine-style air vents glow with ambient lighting. The AMG sport seats combine Nappa leather and microfiber with red contrast stitching. Everything feels tight, premium, and performance-focused. The latest MBUX system is faster and more intuitive. Press the home button and you can customize your layout. Voice control responds instantly. The AMG Performance menus shows torque distribution, G-forces, engine data, and real-time performance stats. You even get the IWC style analog clock integrated into the display, a subtle luxury touch. Now a broken bar, let's drive. Put it into Sport Plus. The exhaust note deepens, throttle response sharpens, steering tightens. The mild hybrid boost fills any turbo lag, making acceleration feel instant. The chassis feels planted thanks to the widened track. Body roll is minimal. And through corners, this coupe feels far more aggressive than its 53 badge might suggest. It's refined when cruising, but brutal when pushed. This is exactly what a modern AMG coupe should feel like. So here's the real question. Is this the perfect balance between daily usability and real AMG aggression? Because honestly, a broken bar it might be. The new Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe proves that even an entry-level AMG can deliver serious performance, serious presence, and serious technology. And in my opinion, now this is one of the best looking AMG coupes in recent years.